Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will place a very good trade in Euro versus US dollar and you will earn good profit from this trade here. I have properly calculated the lot size using the position size calculator. I have given this link in the description box. It is absolutely free. With this you can do very good risk management. See you guys after applying all the trades. Guys, right now we are making a profit of a few dollars. There will be both profit and loss here because the market is preparing to go down. I have $3,000 in this account which I have to grow now. I will explain to you in a proper way why I applied for sell trade. The market was moving in a strong uptrend for the last 4 days which created good buying opportunities here. But now the market has changed its trend due to which a selling opportunity has been created where we have entered. Now we will first create a trend channel. We will connect this trend line to higher low points, connect all these points properly with the trend line. Because the market was moving upwards taking support on this trend line, here we will take another trend line and connect it at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance in the market, because of which we had an idea of how high the market would go. Our trend channel has been created very well, which was followed well by the market. The market has given a trendline breakout at this place, which has created a very good selling opportunity here. Now the market is retesting this trend line and moving towards the bottom. Now we will draw a strong support resistance level here. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at one level. The market first took resistance at this level and later broke it to become support, due to which a resistance became support pattern was created here. Because here the market was following a strong uptrend. Here too the market has created multiple support resistance points. After the trendline breakout the market has created resistance points at this level, which shows that the market is going to remain below this level because this is a strong level of the market, which the market has been following for a long time. Now we will place stop loss and take profit, which is very important. Here my stop loss will be 11 pip above the strong support resistance level. This is the perfect place for our stop loss, because the market will have to break this level to move up, and the target point will be 22 pip down, where the market will create a new lower low for the new downtrend. We have to hold this trade till here because here our risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. Guys, we are now incurring a loss of around $300, but this will not make any difference to us because whether we make profit or loss, we will not exit the trade before hitting stop loss and take profit. Guys, all our work is complete. All our levels have been drawn here. Let us see in future how the market reacts to these levels. Here we just have to follow the trading process because now the rest is the work of the market. The market provides us with very good opportunities so we can catch good moves every time. Because the market keeps repeating the same pattern again and again. This is the nature of the market. Always respect the market because only the market can help us make good profits. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse.
Beautiful move, guys. All our levels were drawn perfectly, which the market respected. The market went down suddenly here. We got to see such a move in the previous trade whose video I have uploaded before this video. The market has given a good move here which we had expected. The market should always be given time to move. We remained patient in this trade because our analysis here was absolutely correct. Our profit target was at this level which has just been hit. Our goal was achieved quickly, where we drew a strong reversal level. The market again found resistance at the same level and gave a very good downward move. Here I will draw another strong reversal level which will give you an idea of where the market will reverse. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. This is the current strong support resistance level of the market which has been followed for a long time now. Two conditions are being created here, in which in the first condition the market can break this level and go down, and in the second condition it can reverse by taking support from this level. We have to wait for the next opportunity here. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Guys, our profit is currently around $4,500. We had $3,000 in this account which has now grown to $7,500. I have made a complete playlist of this strategy which you can watch on the channel. Always focus on high probability trades in the market, which will help you in earning good profit. Good opportunity is available in the market only with patience. Never force yourself to take trades. This can save you from huge losses. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.